Hello again, folks. Well, I'm already looking forward to next summer and getting out and about on the Suzuki Intruder. And Roadskin have sent me their lightweight summer Dakota jacket to have a look at. The Dakota jacket comes with this Rheon CE level 2 armour, and it's a bit special. It's different to the sort of solid armour you might be used to, which is quite bulky and can be a bit sort of sweaty and uncomfortable in the summer. This is very lightweight. And of course, it's completely porous. The air can just sort of pass through it and keep you cool. And it's very, very soft and pliable. But under impact, it stiffens up and provides you with that sort of extra protection when it's most needed. So yeah, it's clever stuff, and it's well worth trying it out if you haven't already tried the Rheon armour before. The jacket itself is made of Cordura and is CE AA rated. It's really very lightweight for the amount of protection it affords, and it has a good array of pockets. It's got pockets on the front here, and it's also got inside pockets, which is nice to see. It is very useful to have a good array of pockets, I find, in a motorbike jacket. It's got little poppers you can do up to tighten the arms up a little bit and to tighten up the wrists a little bit. And yeah, very well made, sturdy feel to it despite its lightweight nature. It's also got a vent in the back there that you can open up for a little bit more airflow. Now, one thing I like about this jacket, and Roadskin do this on their jeans too, is that you can position the armour either high or low in the shoulder and elbow pockets. Obviously on the jeans that relates to the knees. And it's because it's got a Velcro strip here and here. So on my elbow pads, I've undone this Velcro strap, and the pad will slide up into this sort of end of the pocket. But if I wanted it lower down, I could undo that and do that up, and the whole thing would shift down a little bit. And that just makes it easier to get the armour in the right place for your personal body shape. Now, of course, this is a lightweight summer jacket, really. I do sometimes like to wear lighter weight stuff into the sort of autumn, maybe even into late autumn, just to give me the opportunity to sort of layer up around it so I can adjust as the temperature warms up and cools down, because it can be a little bit unpredictable. But primarily this is a summer jacket, and I do love the feel of it. I'm very much looking forward to trying this out next summer, maybe on some nice tours, some nice camping trips, where I want a nice lightweight jacket that can sort of allow the breeze through and keep me nice and cool when I'm riding. So yeah, if you're heading perhaps to Motorcycle Live, which is on in a couple of weeks' time from when I'm filming this, then keep an eye out for the Roadskin stand and grab yourself one of these for next summer, because yeah, I do like this jacket very much. So yeah, look out for a future review on this jacket when I've had a bit more of a chance to give it a good old try out, and yeah, maybe some nice warmer weather trips. Only downsides I can see at the moment is that the sleeves are a little bit long on me for the size of the jacket I need to get round me. That's probably my particular body shape, and it's no great problem because it is actually quite nice to have your sleeves come down and maybe cover the top of your gloves. I can tighten them up, of course, with these poppers, which help stop them flap around quite so much, maybe around sort of my thumb and stuff, but I don't think that would be an issue once I've got my gloves on anyway. So a minor thing, really. Yeah, very nice. So there you go, you can grab 10% discount off this Dakota jacket with our affiliate link, provided you order over £100 worth and it's your first order on the Roadskin website. So yeah, I'm looking forward to giving this a good thorough test when the weather warms back up again.